Gravity exists everywhere. We think of gravity as causing objects to fall to the ground, like this apple. But did you know it also has an effect on objects in space? The moon's gravity causes tides on Earth. And it's gravity that holds planets in orbit around stars, and moons in orbit around planets. Gravity also helps to create stars and planets. It pulls together the dust and gas from which they are made. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. It has an effect on anything with mass or energy. Two important things you should know about gravity are: it gets weaker with distance, and it only acts as a pull force, not a push. In the 1680s, Isaac Newton used maths to describe how gravity works between two objects. This is Newton's law of universal gravitation. Over 200 years later, in the early 20th century, Albert Einstein explained that gravity is a result of massive objects distorting the fabric of space-time, a bit like bowling balls sitting on a sheet of rubber. Even today, scientists are still learning more about how gravity works. Anything that has mass also has gravity. The more massive the object, the stronger its gravity. Black holes have such a strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape. Even you have gravity, but because you're not very big compared to planets and stars, you don't notice it. Gravity is one of the four fundamental forces of the universe. These forces include gravity, the electromagnetic force, the nuclear strong force, and the nuclear weak force. Gravity is the weakest of the fundamental forces, but along with electromagnetism, its effects can be felt over the longest range. When really massive objects, like neutron stars or black holes, move, they create ripples in space-time. We call these gravitational waves. Gravity can also cause light to bend. A large amount of mass clustered together can warp and bend space-time around it. If we observe an object beyond the mass, its light will have to travel to us along the curved path. This can create an optical illusion called gravitational lensing. Stars or galaxies look smeared or even stretched into rings. You sometimes even see multiple images of the same object. If you like learning about gravity, we have masses of activities, investigations, and games about topics linked to space on the NSO website. Thanks for watching.